Hey there, I'm Gaozong from Visla. Today I want to share a great trick for those of you who want to tell deeper stories with your videos. While Visla's AI is amazing at generating shorter scripts, sometimes you might want a longer video. Think product deep dives, intensive tutorials, or heartfelt brand stories. These videos are where the duration matters. So how do you create these longer videos with Visla? We recommend using ChatGPT to create your scripts, then plugging it into Visla to generate your video. With ChatGPT, you can develop a script that is tailored to your content needs. For example, I want to create a video about content marketing, what it is, why you should do it, and how to do it, specifically for small business owners who want to create more brand awareness and bring in more sales. When you're creating scripts with ChatGPT, always make sure you are fact-checking the content with your own knowledge or research. Once you have your final script, bring it over to Visla. Here, click on Create Video, select Text, and then input your script in that box. Keep Rewrite with AI unchecked because we want to use our text as our direct script. Pro tip, for a tailored experience, you can actually paste in a script like this where you have a visual description and the narration. Our AI will try its best to match the footage to that visual description. Back to our video, we have our script, we've unchecked Rewrite with AI, now let's generate the video. And this is our result. I have my script that I inputted on the left-hand side and my video. Let's watch it.
Imagine a world where your customers actively seek out your message, rather than avoiding it. Welcome to the world of content marketing.
So the next time that you're looking to generate longer videos with Visla, you now know how. Try it out and let us know what you think.